Aren't you the fuzzy little ones? Look at that. Fuzzy, fuzzy. Let me get up close to this one so you can see his face. Oh, he's going to stay back too now because I wanted you to see his face. Look at that.
What in the world?
Faces are kind of cute in a way.
Oh, look at the baby. That's the one. Yeah, that's the one. Even the puppies are cute.
Oh, look at them. We got some little black ones too.
Look at the one in the clothes. You got all the milk got coffee drink and somebody else's too.
These are overly pampered.
Little fuzzies. Fuzz balls.
Those are specific. Oh gosh, they look so soft.
I call those things bunny chickens.
Yeah, look at their faces. Alright. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing these little fuzz balls to you. Alright. Bye-bye now.